Building a startup in 500 days, day 250. All right, so I did a lot of work on the manager version, just kind of cleaning a lot of things up. And then I also added this on the fly icon that we wanted to add for a while, this like wings icon. I got it from the Noun project, but it looked so sick. And so one of the things that we've been thinking about is how we should go about the two products that we have in terms of name. Because right now internally we're doing like the app's like day to day. Sometimes it's day to day for artists. We don't really know. And then internally we're calling this other one day to day for managers, but they really are kind of like two separate products. And I feel like, I don't know, if it was both like specifically for the music industry and it was like one was for artists, one was for managers, I feel like it would make sense if it was day to day for managers and day to day for artists. But the artist one honestly is shaping up to be like a little bit more agnostic than that. It's basically just a tool where anyone who wants to pursue something will help you stay consistent, will help you stay accountable to achieving that goal. Um, so so yeah, that was kind of top of mind. So when I made this icon or found this icon for the on the fly, it looked really dope. And so I don't know, we were just kind of talking about like, should we just name the manager version on the fly? Honestly, because the icon looks sick. So we're like, okay, we could use that for the icon, and then the name's not that bad. So we were talking about that in our group chat, and we kind of like decided, let's do that. And so we set our Instagram like that. We made a new Instagram for On the Fly app. But then I talked with Bambi because I was curious to catch her thoughts because she's kind of been involved in the like the building process. So I figured she'd have an informed opinion. And so she was like, kind of dig On the Fly, but also like day to day better for the manager version because On the Fly is like a feature of it. So it might be kind of weird to have that as the name also. And then she had a dope idea of instead of changing the manager version name, what if we change the app name? Because so the key thing that you do on the app is you have this thing called the daily. So you have your dailies every day. So what if we called it daily app? And I kind of like it because it's just short, it's simple, exactly like the app. It's not really doing too much. It's just like very clean, very simple. And then that would allow us to continue using just day to day for the manager version. And that will also be hype too because as we start doing more Instagram outreach to these managers kind of one-on-one, we can use the main Instagram that we have right now as day to day. So that would be kind of sick. So now day to day will just refer to from now on in this documentation. This is kind of a big move. Day to day will correspond is not the right word, but whatever, to the manager version, and then daily refer is the word, and then daily will refer to the app. And then right now I might actually change my TikTok to daily app, and then like because I'm not doing much Instagram for the app specifically, so we could have, I don't know, just for now, have the manager version be on Instagram, and the daily app be on TikTok. Reason for that is like Instagram's kind of more outreach. Yes, or sorry, TikTok's more outreach in terms of like putting out content to source eyes on it. So that could be daily. And then day to day will be more kind of one-on-one outreach, which will be helpful just to have an account there for legitimacy reasons. So yeah, that's kind of dope. Kind of major moves in the whole saga. I mean, who knows? It might change tomorrow, but I feel like for now that feels pretty good. And then I started the process of submitting to the App Store for the daily app. And the images that Bambi sent me were not the right size. So I have to hit her up on to fix that. But yeah, kind of hype. I think I mentioned last time I set the V1 of the North Star stuff live. So I did a little bit of cleanup on that too. But yeah, it really does feel like it ties it all together better. So good stuff. Overall solid day following a journey. I'll catch you all tomorrow.